Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be trying this one out. This is the Wiseshe eye makeup brush set. So today I will be creating a beautiful stunning eye makeup. You will understand how to blend and how to pack the eyeshadows. I know my eye makeups are a little bit too dramatic, but still I would make sure that you learn a lot from today's video. So let's start the video with the product itself. So this is the Wiseshe eye makeup brush set. Now the brushes comes like this with a pouch, which is so good. So let's talk about the brushes. You can see the brushes comes in a plastic packaging like this, and the quality of the brushes, the packaging is so good. It definitely feels very good, and it definitely feels like the Morphe brushes. So I was amazed when I saw the packaging by myself. Even the brush bristles are super soft. So let me just show you guys up close. So in the Wiseshe eye makeup brush set, there are 7 brushes and there is 1 pouch as well. So as you can see, these are the brushes. There are 7 of them and the quality looks definitely amazing. So as you can see, I have done my brows already. So I am going to remove it and then I will redo my brows with this Wiseshe 07 eyebrow brush. So guys, I have cleaned my brows. Now I am going to use this Wiseshe eyebrow brush, which comes with a spoolie, and the quality definitely feels really good. So I am going to use my staple product, and that is the Sigma eyebrow powder in the shade dark. First I am going to just brush my brows upwards, and then let's fill it in. Okay guys, so the brush is little bit softer and the brush I use is normally very stiff. So yeah, but this is extremely thin, you guys, which is so good. I do think the brush is really good and it's blending out the product really nicely. Let me just quickly finish off this brow as well. I think the brows looks perfect. What do you guys think? Ouch. Sorry. So first I am going to conceal my eyelids before jumping onto the eye makeup using my sugar concealer in the shade number 30. Also guys, for my eye makeup I am going to use this Norvina ABH palette. I bought this in December and I have never used it, so it's time to use this palette. So today I thought I'm doing eye makeup with new brushes, so let's use the new palette as well. So let me just show you the palette, how the palette looks like. So this is the palette. There is a big mirror, as you can see, and there is the shades. They are amazing. So the first brush I am taking is the Wiseshe 04 brush, and this is how the brush looks like. As you can see, these are very soft, you guys. I am taking the shade D1, which is this, and I'm just going to pack this shade. So next I'm taking the brush number 03 and I am going to take the shade E4, which is a beautiful yellow shade, and I'm going to blend it further on my crease. Now the brush is definitely blending out really nicely, as you can see. So next I am taking the brush 05 and I am going to take the shade E2 and I'm going to place that on my crease again. I'm just mainly focusing that on my crease. Now with the previous brush, I'm just going to blend out the crease. With the brush 01, it is a flat shader brush and it is very small, so I'm going to cut my crease with the concealer. So as you can see, you can use a shader brush, small shader brush, to cut your crease with a concealer, and this definitely works. You don't have to use a synthetic brush only. Now I am taking the Wiseshe 06 brush, and it is a eyeliner brush. So I am going to use this and take the shade A2, which is a beautiful bright orange shade, and I'm going to place that on my crease as an eyeliner. And you can see it is placing the shade so well. So I'm topping that off with the A5 shade. It is much more brighter, you guys, and this looks stunning. So I'm taking the same E2 shade on the same Wiseshe 05 pencil brush, and I'm going to place the shade just on the outer corner. Now I'm taking the brush 02, it is a flat shader brush, and I am going to take the shade E1 and I'm going to place that on my eyelid. So on my lower lash line, I use the same shades which I have used for my crease. So now I am going to add some glitter just on the center of the eyelid. I'm using the same Wiseshe 01 brush. Now for my lower lash line, I am using the PAK Cosmetics Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Coffee Brown. So now I'm going to finish off this eye makeup with some falsies, and I will also add some highlighter in my inner corners and my brow bone. So guys, this is the finished eye look. I did apply some falsies and I used the Hina Haina eyelashes in the style Amira, and it definitely looks very stunning. And yeah, I just removed my lipstick. So the previous lipstick I wore was the Forever 52 lipstick. Let's just try the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade number 11. So guys, this is the final eye look. I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comment section below if you like this or not. And also I have used just the Wiseshe brushes. Alright guys, final thoughts of this brushes. I love it because the quality is amazing. Bristles are extremely soft and it blends out the eyeshadows. You just saw it blends really nicely and seamlessly. So I really like this. So you can get this brush set from their website or Amazon. I am going to mention their link down in the description box below. Another thing, you can use my coupon code SOHINI10 for 10% off. So yes, if you're searching for an eye makeup brush set, you can definitely go for this. I would definitely suggest you to try this brush set out. If you're a makeup artist or a makeup lover, you're gonna love this so much. So that is it guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.